Are your kids up for the challenge of learning a new skill? Kaya ba nilang harapin ang hamon ng tunay na lakas at sigla? Dito sa Tiger Lakas Siglaban, sasagutin nila ang hamon ng lakas at sigla. These kids are incredible dancers. Ngayon, tignan natin kung kaya nilang patunayan ang kanilang lakas at sigla by learning a new skill. Hi kids! Today we're going to learn basketball. Kaya ba? Kaya nilang matuto mag-basketball? As a parent, it's fulfilling to know that your kid is able to take on a challenge and learn something new, bukod sa mga nakasanayan na nila. At minsan, mahirap both for the parent and the kid. Kids are able to absorb a lot of things if they are taught the right way. Sayaw man o basketball, ang tunay na hamon dito sa Tiger Lakas Siglaban ay kung kaya ba nilang harapin ang mga pagsubok. Tiger Biscuits has the goodness of milk and wheat with vitamins and minerals na tumutulong magbigay ng kailangan nilang lakas at sigla para malampasan ang mga pagsubok. Let's go kids! Great job everyone! Kids, ngayon subukan natin ang inyong mga natutunan. Laro tayo ng basketball. Group A versus Group B. First to make 10 baskets in 2 minutes wins. Kaya ba? Kaya! Pag may lakas at sigla ang bata, kayang-kaya matuto, kayang-kaya lampasan anumang pagsubok, kayang-kaya sagutin ang hamon ng Tiger Lakas Siglaban.